Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science, and today we learn about animals as we continue our lesson number 6. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. And today we continue our lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals. So in science we learn about so many different kind of things. So our today's topic is shelter of animals, and in this lesson we learn about places where animal can live. So today we learn new place in forest where animals can live. So let's start our today's topic with one beautiful. So here the line is you can do it. It means we have in our life so many things. So when we do any work, so suppose you are studying, so when you start study you have so many excuses to not doing study, that I want to play, I want to watch TV and many other things. But you have to keep in your mind that you can do this, right? So let's start our today's topic. So which lesson we continue? Lesson number 6, right? So what is the name of this lesson? Remember you or not? Lesson is about plant, right? Yes or no? No, lesson is about animals, that food and shelter of animals. The name of this lesson is food and shelter of animals. So in this lesson we learn about so many different things, right? Till now we learn about food of animals, we learn about some places of animals where they live, we learn about forest also. So all these things we learn in this lesson. So what we learn today? Today we learn about shelter of animals. Now you all know that what is shelter? Shelter means house of animals or place where we can live safely. So today we learn about animals live in caves. Now you think that what is cave now, right? So let's see what we learn in previous lecture. So before we start our today's topic, we have to revise what we learned in previous lecture. So we learned yesterday shelter of animals, right? And in this we learn about some places where animals can live, right? So we learn about hollow of the tree and which animals live in that hollows, right? So let's see what we learned yesterday. We learned yesterday that most animals live in open forest, when some animals make their shelter in forest and some animals live in places in forest. So which animals live in forest? So first we learned that where animals live in forest. Yesterday we learned places where animals live in forest. So which places are? Remember we learned that places like hollow of tree, caves, ice caves and tree. So animals are living in different places. They roam in forest to find their food and find their shelter. So animals are living in different shelter. After some time they are changes their shelter or place where they are living. They are not living like us, that whole life in one house, right? So what we learned yesterday, that some animals live in hollow of the tree. So first we learned that what is hollow of the tree. Now we all see trees, right? So what is hollow of the tree? So first we learned yesterday that what is hollow of the tree. A natural hole in tree is called hollow of tree. So we learn about trees in lesson number 3 and 4 both, right? So we learn that stem of the tree, and in this stem the hole is available. Not every tree we can see hole, but some tree have holes. So we called it hollow of the tree, and it is a natural hole made by nature, naturally in tree. So we called it hollow of the tree. Then we see the picture of some hollow of the tree, that how animals are living in this. So you can see here that this hole is created naturally, right? We cannot create it. We can use drill machine and make hole, but this hole is natural. So hollow of the tree. Then we see some pictures of tree which have hollows, right? So here you can see the picture, different type of hollows. You can see here that where is in tree. Now you can clearly see that the animals are going inside this and live peacefully, because they also have fear of other animals. As we learn that big animals kill small animals, so for that they are using these type of places to live, right? So it is available in tree. So we called it hole of tree. Here you can see like this hollow of the tree is used in living, right? Which animal live inside it? Snake. We learn about snake yesterday, right? And here is other picture of hollow of the tree. So which animal live inside it? We learn fox, right? Then we see the difference between normal tree and the hollow of the tree. Here you can see in one stem there are no hole or hollows, and here you can, in second picture you can see that one hole of the tree. So there is a difference between trees. Not in every tree there is a hole, but in which tree holes are available, animals are living inside it. Then we see different kind of animals which are living in hollows, right? So yesterday all these things we learned. Then we learn that which animals live in hollow. So first squirrel, owls, night animal. We all know that owl is one of the night animals. Fox. So these all are animals which are living in hollow of the tree. They can also live in other places, but mostly they are living in hollow of the tree. They change their living place after some times, right? So let's see what we learned yesterday, that which animals are living in hollow. So first we learn about squirrels, that squirrel is animal which live on tree. We learn in lesson number 5. So how they are living on tree? Here you can see the shelter of squirrel. By this picture you can understand that how they are living on tree, right? So then we see the picture of squirrel family which are living in hollow. It's look like our house gate, right? So they are living inside. They eat food, they take rest inside it, and they live inside it. Then we learn about fox. Fox is one of the animal which is living underground also, and live in hollow of the tree also. They can live in ice also. Some types of horses living in ice also. Fox is one of the clever animal, right? So here you can see the picture that how fox live in hollow. You can see that here fox is taking rest. This all we learn in previous lecture. Then we learn about night bird, which is this owl. That owl is also living in hollow. Here is a picture of owls which are living in hollow of the tree. And remember that these hollows are natural. We are not made it. They naturally in tree, stem of the tree, right? Here you can see the owl which is in hollow. So with this picture you can understand that how they are living in hollows. Then we learn about snake. We learn that snake is one of the dangerous animal. If snake bite us, we can die because there is a poison in snake's body. So we have to careful when we see snake. We see the picture that how snake is living inside the tree. So mostly snake we can see in sandalwood tree because snake like this tree and they are living peacefully inside these hollows. So now you can understand that how they are living. So yesterday we learned about all these animals, right? So what we learned today, now what is our today's topic? We learn about today shelter of animals, right? And we continue this topic with animals live in caves. So yesterday we learned that animals live in places in forest, which are they? Hollows of the tree, caves, ice caves and trees. So today we learn about caves. So when we read this word caves, now in our mind we think that what is cave? Right? You think like this girl that what is cave now? So let's see what is cave. Before I tell you about caves, you just remember that when you go on any mountain and you can see holes in mountains, right? So these holes are known as caves. So let's see what is caves. A large hollow place formed by natural process in the side of the hill or underground. Hills means mountains. This definition is only for your information, right? So we have to understand first that what is caves. So there is a hole in mountains, big mountains. So mountains have big holes also. So this holes is known as caves, a large hole in which animals can live. So now you can understand that what is caves. So let's see some pictures. Here you can see the mountain, right? So in this mountain you can see hole. I circled the hole. You can understand that what is caves. So that big mountains have big holes and these holes are created naturally. We cannot make hole in mountains. We can make now with machines, but These holes we create for our use, not for animals. So animals cannot made it. So these natural holes of mountains are known as caves. So these are mountains, and in these mountains you can see hole, and it is cave. So now you can understand that what is cave. I show you some picture, then you can understand that you also see these caves. Here you can see some pictures of caves. Now you can see that there is a big place, so because of that animals can live there. Right? Here you can see other cave. Remember that these all are in mountains. So some animals live in forest, some animals live in open forest, when some animals live in caves like this. So these mountains are in forest also, and these mountains are also there, and we can see these holes in mountains. So here you can see the picture of caves. So some sea caves are also. Here you can understand that how it looks. When you climb the mountain, sometime you can see this type of caves. In our city, we don't have that mountains, but when you go out of our city, the places like Palidana and many other, you can see this type of caves. Here you can see this is the mountain of Talaja, and here you can see the caves. So these caves are natural. So animals are living in these caves. In further times, people are also living in these caves. So now you can understand that what is cave. Here you can see some pictures. You can understand that how you can see big cave is, and animals are living safely inside it. So in caves found lion and tiger and many other animals, and caves found mostly in mountains where animals can live safely. So now you can understand that what is cave. Some animals live in underwater caves also. Some animals live in sea caves also. So in sea there are many caves, and fish are also living in caves. Which animals live in caves? So first we learn about animals which are living in caves. So which animals are living in caves? We learn about this in lesson number 5 also. That lion, king of the forest, tiger, bear, bat, and many other animals are living in caves. So these are main animals which we can see around the caves, and other animals are also living in caves. So today we learn about some animals which are living in caves, because these all are big animals, so they need big place. They cannot live like hollow of the tree, right? So they cannot live in open forest also. So they are living in caves. So here first picture, which animal it is? Which animal it is? You can see here, right? King of the forest, lion. So lion is again dangerous animal, as we learn that lion kill other animals and eat, right? What we learn about lion? Lion eat flesh of other animal, but they kill animal then eat. When lion feel hungry, going in forest and find their food. So lion not eat dead animals. So they eat meat. Here you can see the picture of lion. So when lion feel tired, where lion go and rest? When we feel tired, we go to home and sleep. So lion also need to sleep or take rest. So let's see where lion take rest. Here you can see the picture of lion, right? And lion is inside the cave. And what is cave? Here you can see the cave of lion. The cave of lion is known as den. That's why we called that lion is living in den. So lion is living in cave, but the cave of lion is known as den. So now you can identify that where lion is living, what we call the place in which lion is live. So here you can see the picture of lion in cave or den. So we called it den. Here you can see the family of lion which is living in cave. We all know that lion, world's best lion, is found in our state, in Gir, right? So Gir is a forest with mountain. So lion is living in Gir forest and living in mountains. So now you can understand that lion is living in cave or den. Here you can see the picture when lion is coming out of the cave. So now you can understand that what is cave and what is den, and who live inside this? Lion. So these are the animals which are living in cave. Then second animal, our national animal, right? India's national animal is tiger. So this is tiger, and you can see now what is different between two caves. When lion and tiger we see, their living place is same. One is living in den, one is living in cave. So den is also cave. So there is a different type of cave they are living, right? Let's see some picture. Here you can see that lion is resting. Yes? No, this is not lion, it is tiger. So you can understand that how they are living their life. So when they feel tired, they going in their home, but they are changes their shelter by time. They move from one place to other place and find their place and their food. Now which picture it is? Which animal you can see here? Bear, right? Here is bear family. We give someone gift, teddy bear, right? So this is bear. Teddy bear is very cute, but this bear is dangerous. So be careful. So here you can see the picture of bear. So bear is also living in cave. Here you can see that different type of caves also, and animals are living in this cave. So the cave of bear is look like triangle. Now you can see some pictures of bears. You can see there is a congested place, not big like lion and tiger's cave. Here you can see the bear family inside cave, right? Now you can understand that lion and tiger living in big caves, when bear is living in small caves, underground caves. So in deep mountain, bear is living. So This is the place where bear live. Here you can see that bear is taking rest inside cave. Then which animal it is? It's look like bird. You can see this animal. Which animal it is? Did you see the movie Batman? It's look like Batman, right? No, Batman is look like bat. It is a bat. It is one of animal which have wings and one of the bird which is dangerous. So what is this? It is bat. So when we see bat in day, bats are sleeping. Why? Because they cannot see in daylight. That's why they are sleeping, and they are hanging on tree with their legs. Here you can see that how they are hanging on tree. So whole day they are sleeping and hanging on tree and in night they are going out and find their food and all these things. Now let's see where bats are living. And one more thing, that the movie Batman is inspired by these bats. So now you see Batman movie, you can understand that why Batman is flying, right? So here you can see the picture of bat. You can see the wings of bat. When you see movie Batman, that man also have wings like that, right? Here where bats are living. So you can see now again cave, and they are living in cave. They are living also on tree, but mostly they are found in caves because they are sleeping whole day. And in caves there is no light. Caves are very dark, so that's why they are living in caves. Here you can see the picture of bats which are in the cave, and caves are in mountains. So now you can understand that what are caves and how bats are living inside the cave. So these all are pictures of bat, and you can see now that from mountain they are coming out. So this whole of mountains are known as cave. Here you can see the so many bats which are inside the mountain. So here you can see that bats are also living on tree, right? So in daylight they are hanging on tree and sleep because they cannot see in daylight. Some animals are living in sea caves or ice caves. Here you can see the picture of sea caves or ice caves which are found in areas which atmosphere is cool. So that's why they are known as ice caves or sea caves. Here you can see the picture of penguins. So as we know that penguins are living in ice, so here you can see the picture of penguin. So animals like penguins are living in ice cave. This white color is cave, sea cave or ice cave. Here you can see the picture of penguin which are living inside ice cave. So you can understand. Then seal, which is one animal which is living in ice cave. Then polar bear, it is one type of bear which found in ice mountains also and ice caves also. You can see here how they are living inside the ice cave or sea cave. They all are living in this. Here you can see that how they are living inside caves. So what we learn today? We learn today about places of animal where they can live. So we learn today about shelter of animal cave and which animals are living inside cave. So animals like lion, tiger, bear and bat are living inside cave, and we also learn that some animals are living in sea caves or ice caves. So we can understand that animals like penguin and bear and many other are living in ice cave or sea caves. So I hope you all understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.